Hello, good morning, friends. This is Shivakumar here, and as a continuation of project management, we are going to see what is the project schedule, right? So, in any project, actually, we need a project schedule to complete every task and activity. So, it should be time phased and should be in timeline to complete. So same like other projects or any IT project, SAP will have the project schedule, right? So every task and activity has a timeline to complete. In SAP, activity is the smallest unit, which cannot be break down further. The task consists of activity. Each task has some intended start and end date, which defines the project deliverable plan. Okay. So before the start of the project, a project manager does the planned estimation for each task based on standard guidelines and the previous experiences. This effort estimation is also based on number of available resources and identified dependencies. Based on this estimation, an overall project schedule can be prepared that can provide overall planned view of the project completion. If we talk about other industries other than IT companies like manufacturing or any construction companies, a separate team known as work schedulers manages the project schedules. So there are several standard tools and techniques available and has been applied to deal with the project schedule throughout the organization. So each and every participant or an employee in the organization must participate and adhere to the project schedule to bring everyone in a common goal of development or successful completion. In case of IT industries, there are many standard project management tools that can be used to manage a project schedule. A Microsoft project plan is widely used to maintain your project schedule, timeline, and cost. So WBS task, that is work breakdown task, right? Scheduling and resource assignment. Assigning, um, assigning the time, resources, dependencies, start date and finish date to the WBS task or the activities that is performed in any project scheduling. Okay. Work breakdown structure is a key component of the project schedule. So all the activities are mapped to each phase of the schedules. So everything is in schedule with a plan. So the project schedule. So assigning the time, resources, dependencies, start date and finish date due to WBS task or the activities that is performed in the project scheduling. Work breakdown structure, WBS is a key component of the project schedule. The project schedule defines the expected deadlines, specify the dependencies among the element, and helps the project manager to monitor and control the project progress. So everything should be within the schedule. The steps, the next topic is steps for defining the project schedule. So we need to list down the task as identified in the work breakdown structure. Then secondly, define the dependencies between WBS elements. Third one, estimate the effort required for each task as per the standard guidelines and parameters decided by the project team, by the manager and the stakeholders and the client. So determine the start date and finish date based on priority or other factors. Assign resources against each task. Check the resource over allocation and total project completion date. Publish your plan and generate a node chart to see graphical layout of your complete plan. So the chart will show the each phases, the progress, the time to complete. So how much progress has been, actual progress has been done against the planned development. So everything will be graphically identified. Okay. So you can plan your project schedule using Microsoft Sheet or Microsoft Project Plan, or can use SAP Project Planning Board. Okay. The project planning board helps in planning and controlling the projects. It has got a central position in the SAP project system. It gives the graphical overview of the projects and can manage. or managed and changed easily as per your requirement. The project planning board gives a complete detail of your project progress, provide you all the important data like dates, cost, level capacities, assigned resources, and work distribution. Okay. Additionally, you can switch to the graphical view and can do similar changes and can overview call logs. So in the project system, you can define various dates like plan date, forecast date, everything can be possible. So schedule is very important for completing any task. So I hope actually this video will be very useful for each and everyone who is visiting this video. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for the continuous support. This is GV Shivakumar signing off.